All right. Hi, puppies. You're 5 weeks old today. There's meal 2. He's sold. You want to say hi? If I can get him. This man's sold. And there's Papa with red male 3. Red male 3. He's playing with his daddy. That is red male 3. He's still for sale. Here comes mommy. And over here we have the little girl. Here's the little girl. She's got a stripe on her face. Hi. And back there. Come here. You want to say hi again? Here's red male 2. He's sold. He's already sold. He's going to a good home. Come here. They're chewing up the box that their parents chewed up. Come here. Come here. There's red male 1. Hi. Hi. Here's red male 1. The sun's really bright today. Come here. Give me that. Give me that. Did I take your toy? Let's back up. There's red. There's Papa. There's red male 1 again. And there's the girl. Come here, sweetie. She's a sweetheart. There's red male 1. He's still for sale. Hi. That's red male 1. Blue eyes. Hi. Hi. Red male 2 is pulling on my camera cord right now. This is red male 1 though. And there's red male 3 still playing with his parents. He's the biggest one. And the little girl is chewing on a hanger, it looks like. Come here, sweetie. Come here. Come here. That's the girl. Come here, girlie. Come here. Here's a sweet little girl. And that was red male 3. Saying, Mommy, protect me. Daddy's bullying me. Alright. You guys all say bye-bye. Bye-bye.